So, the Volufiline 100% Ampoule is basically marketed as a concentrated skincare product designed to make skin look fuller, firmer, and more youthful. But there's a big thing the marketing may not tell you. The 100% claim can sound impressive, but it doesn't automatically mean you're getting 100% pure Volufiline or that you'll get dramatic results. What really matters is the actual formulation, concentration, and evidence behind the product. I'd also be careful with claims about adding volume to areas like the face. Results can vary, and a topical skincare product shouldn't be expected to produce the same kind of effect as professional cosmetic procedures. So, is the Volufiline 100% Ampoule worth buying? It could be interesting if you're looking to experiment with this type of skincare, but I wouldn't expect an overnight transformation. Check the full ingredients, seller reputation, independent reviews, and return policy before buying. Overall, don't let the 100% label convince you on its own. With skincare, the actual formula and evidence matter much more than the marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.